Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Mushroom Soup Minecraft full guide. Begin by locating red and brown mushrooms in the overworld and gather wooden planks to craft bowls. Walk through the recipe, tips for mushroom farming, and easy ways to keep steady supplies. I'll explain step by step how to harvest, craft, and store mushroom stew so you always have a healing food source on your adventures. Start by exploring biomes like roofed forests and caves to find both mushroom colors and consider nighttime spawns in swamps. Bring an axe for wood and a shovel for quick ground clearing, and carry multiple bowls so you can craft stew on the go. I'll also cover how to use bone meal on giant mushrooms and where to create a mushroom farm near your base for reliable, renewable supplies. Craft bowls from wood, then combine a red mushroom, brown mushroom, and a bowl to make mushroom stew instantly at a crafting table. For long-term supply, set up a low-light farm using podzol or mycelium and enclose your mushrooms to prevent mobs from trampling them. I'll show spacing, lighting tricks, and how to expand your farm so you can harvest mushrooms continuously without breaking immersion or wasting time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.